Hey everyone, I have ordered another interesting product from Amazon. That is Agaro Garment Steamer. Let's unbox it. Here it is. What's inside? Let's check out one by one. It comes with a manual book. It has all the instructions on how to use the steamer. Do check it out before you start using the steamer. It comes with these two attachments. One is the lint head, another one is the brush head. It also comes with a pair of gloves to protect your hands from overheating of the steamers. Make sure you use it. Here comes our hero product, Agaro Garment Steamer. This is the head of the steamer, which is made up of the ceramic coating. And here we have the power indicator. This is the handle of the steamer. This is the cord protector with the cable. It comes with the two buttons. The top button is to turn on and off the steamer. The second button is to detach the power tank. Press in to detach the water tank. This is the water tank. It has two markings, minimum and maximum. Do not fill it below the minimum level and do not fill it above the maximum limit. If you overfill it, there are chances of spilling the water while you are steaming your garment. And the maximum limit of this water tank is 260 ml. Do fill this water tank only with the mineral water and not with the tap water. So now we have plugged in our garment steamer. Once you plug it in, you will get a blue power indicator at the back. Once you turn it on, you have to wait for 40 seconds before you start using it. As you can see the steam, now it's ready to use. Let's check it on a demo. This is the t-shirt. As you can see, there are a lot of wrinkles. Let's try our Agaro Garment Steamer on this and see how it works. This is our t-shirt after using Agaro Garment Steamer. You can see it's wrinkle free now.
What I like most about this steamer is it is compact and portable. It is suitable for wide range of fabrics like nylon, silk, linen, cotton, designer lehengas and gowns. It is suitable for home purpose to steam daily outfits. It comes with auto cut off for overheating and low water level. And what I don't like about this steamer is it should be steamed vertically only to prevent the leakages. It cannot be used on leather, wax jackets, suede and velvet. And it is less effective when it comes to stubborn wrinkles and creases. With 260 ml tank, you can steam only one outfit and need to refill for the next. When it comes to pricing, I feel it is not cost effective compared to regular iron.
If you like this steamer, there is a link in the description box. Do check it out and like, share and subscribe our videos and stay tuned for more such interesting videos.